A very cheerful morning to our respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Roshni Patro, along with all the students of class 10C, welcome you all to the pleasant assembly. Quoting the words of the Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore, I slept and dreamt that life was joy. I woke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was joy. We eagerly anticipate Ravindra Jayanti on 9th May. So the theme of our assembly is Ravindra Jayanti. A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. So let's greet the day with open arms. Thus, Divyashish Mishra will help us remember the Almighty, the Creator of the universe.
Good morning. Join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. Thank you, God, for this new day that you gave me to live in faith. I do not know everything that will come, but I rest in your care and I move on.
New day comes new strength, new thoughts, and endless possibilities. So, to brighten our day, here comes Abhishek Chandra with the thought of the day.
Hello dear teachers and friends, I am Abhishek Chandra and I am going to tell the thought of the day. Everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it. Rabindranath Tagore.
We all know the great personality Rabindranath Tagore. So now Palak Priya will enlighten us with a speech on Rabindranath Tagore accompanied with a speed painting by Mannat Modi.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am glad to give a speech on this auspicious day of Ravindra Jayanti. Ravindra Jayanti is the birthday of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorashanko, Kolkata. He was born in a rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi. He was very much interested in writing poems. At an early age of 14, he took his early education at home with private teachers. But, however, he went to England for higher education. He went to England in 1878 to study law and he returned without completing his degree and started his career as a poet and a writer. He lived more than 100 years ago, yet is representative of today's generation of the global thinkers of the world. A man who was influenced by the world and also made a huge impact on the world. Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you.
A dramatic and musical entertainment refreshes our mind. So now, Nainika Chatterjee will be reciting a poem, Chitta Chito Bhoy Shunno, by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore.
কবি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের চিত্ত যেথা ভয় শূন্য, চিত্ত যেথা ভয় শূন্য, উচ্চ যেথা শির, জ্ঞান যেথা মুক্ত, যেথা গৃহের প্রাচীর, আপন প্রাঙ্গণ তলে দিবস সর্বরি, বসুধারে রাখি নাই খণ্ড ক্ষুদ্র করি, যেথা বাক্য হৃদয়ের উৎসমুখ হতে উচ্চসিয়া ওঠে, যেথা নির্বারিত স্রোতে দেশে দেশে দিশে দিশে কর্মধারাধায় অজস্র সহস্রবিধ চরিতার্থতায়, যেথা তুচ্ছ আচারের মরু বালু রাশি, বিচারের স্রোত পথ ফেলে নাই গ্রাসী, পৌরুষেরে করিনি শতধা, নিত্য যেথা তুমি সর্বকর্ম চিন্তা আনন্দের নেতা, নিজ হস্তে নির্দয়ে আঘাত করি পিতঃ, ভারতের সেই স্বর্গে করো জাগরিত। ধন্যবাদ।
Music gives soul to the universe, wing to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. So now, Reena Banerjee and Nishtha Roy will be singing a melodious song, Ami More Sagar by Rabindranath Tagore.
ঝড়ের বাই আমার ভয় ভাঙাই নাই, আমি মারের সাগর পাড়ি দেব। বিষম ঝড়ের বাই আমার ভয় ভাঙাই নাই, আমি মারের সাগর পাড়ি দেব।
মা ভৈবানীর ভরসা নিয়ে ছেঁড়া পালে বুক ফুলিয়ে, মা ভৈবানীর ভরসা নিয়ে ছেঁড়া পালে বুক ফুলিয়ে, তোমার ওই পাড়েতে চাপে তোরি ছায়া বটের ছায়ে, আমি মারের সাগর পাড়ি দেব।
পথ আমারে সেই দেখাবে যে আমারে চাই, আমি অভয় মনে ছাড়ব তোরি এই শুধু মোর দায়, এই শুধু মোর দায়। পথ আমারে সেই দেখাবে যে আমারে চাই, আমি অভয় মনে ছাড়ব তোরি এই শুধু মোর দায়, এই শুধু মোর দায়।
দিন ফুরালে জানি জানি পৌঁছে ঘাটে দেব আনি, দিন ফুরালে জানি জানি পৌঁছে ঘাটে দেব আনি, আমার দুঃখ দিনের রক্ত কমল তোমার করুণ পায়ে, আমি মারের সাগর পাড়ি দেব। বিষম ঝড়ের বায়ে আমার ভয় ভাঙায় নাই, আমি মারের সাগর পাড়ি দেব।
We still have a lot to know about the renowned writer Rabindranath Tagore. We are now going to present a presentation by Rajat Chatterjee along with a speech by Anumiha Saha.
Rabindranath Tagore was born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata. He was a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright, essayist, and painter who introduced new prose and verse forms and the use of colloquial language into Bengali literature, thereby freeing it from traditional models based on classical Sanskrit. He was highly influential in introducing Indian culture to the West and vice versa, and he is generally regarded as the outstanding creative artist of early 20th century India. In 1913, he became the first non-European to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. In 1891, Tagore went to East Bengal, now in Bangladesh, to manage his family's estates at Shilaida and Shahzadpur for 10 years. There he often stayed in a houseboat on the Padma River, the main channel of the Ganges River, in close contact with the village folk, and his sympathy for them became the keynote of much of his later writing. Most of his finest short stories, which examine humble lives and their small miseries, date from the 1890s and have an elegance laced with gentle irony that is unique to him, though admirably captured by director Satyajit Ray in later film adaptations. Tagore came to love the Bengali countryside, most of all the Padma River, an often repeated image in his verse. During these years, he published several poetry collections, most notably Shonar Turi, The Golden Boat, in 1894, and plays, most notably Chittorango, in 1892. Tagore's poems are virtually untranslatable, as are more than 2,000 songs, which achieved considerable popularity among all classes of Bengali society. In 1901, Tagore founded an experimental school in rural West Bengal at Shantiniketan, where he aimed to blend the best of Indian and Western traditions. He settled permanently at the school, which became Vishwa Bharati University in 1921. Years of sadness arising from the deaths of his wife and 2 children between 1902 and 1907 are reflected in his later poetry, which was introduced to the West in Gitanjali, Song Offerings, in 1912.
Country is like a shelter to us, which provides us with security and many more facilities. So, we need to give honor and respect to our nation. So please get ready for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे
तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
With this, we come to an end of our assembly. It's a humble request to all of you. Stay home and stay healthy, and do wear masks if at all you're going out. Thank you.